Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have another lifted truck we did, and I'm going to show you that in 1 second. But before we get started, if you have questions, we have good answers. So come on over here. By the way, John, our general manager, is behind the camera today. And what we have here, well, we got a Chevy Colorado that we have a rough country 6-inch lift on here. And we also did change out the tires, put some Nittos on there. And these are Recon Grapplers here, some nice 33s. Really great look here. Terrific clearance on this. Now, I like rough country. We've been doing a lot of rough country products. We also have 2-inch spacers on here, brought them out a little further, give it that more aggressive look. And if you like John, you can come over here and get in there and just get the camera in there. You can kind of see some of his stuff. Now, he does have the upgraded setup in there, as you can see. So, and again, I like rough country. They make a fine product. And I have a rough country in my personal truck I like a lot. And I like the Nittos. Now, a lot of people don't realize when the tires come in, they have an aggressive side and they have more of a smooth side. We put the more aggressive side out because it just looks cooler. If you like this setup, you can buy the parts from us and we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here and we can have it installed for you. So again, this is a great look here. And I like this whole setup here. It's terrific. Truck looks so much better with the lift on it. And it's still not so tall where you can't use your bed. So it's a kind of win-win. Again, I'm Chris here with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a rough country lift, 6-inch, with the 2-inch spacers and the Nitto Recon Grappler tires. I'll put a lot of the information on the bottom of the YouTube video. And don't forget, like and subscribe.